Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will show you the best lighting add-on on Blender. So first thing first, this is a small scene, and if you see it here, just show you this is the final result you will get using the add-on. So let's press N on your keyboard and we're gonna check all those settings together. Let's do receipt delete. So first thing first, what you can do with this add-on, you can select your object like this and hit generate, and it will generate your key light. So this is the first version of this add-on. I'm still improving it. So in this version you will get only the key light. Previous one was you get the 3-point light, and I didn't like it because you are limited on lights. And in this version, if you scroll down, you can add additional light. So let's go back. What you can do in here to improve it, so you can go to HDRI environment and you can check it. You press here and you go to your HDRI library. I will add section when you can restore or install your HDRI and your asset, so you can get an access easy to your library. For example, I'm going to choose this one, hit accept, and in here you can choose the strength of your HDRI. Usually keep it 0.08, 5, something like that. And if you see it here, you get all the HDRI. I don't like this one, so you can get the transparent, and you can change your HDRI position, so it's the X and Y and Z axis, so you can mess around with your rotation of your HDRI. For now, let's hit transparent film and let's go back to our camera. So the second thing you can do, when you scroll down, you will get your key light. So this is your key light, this one is your key light. Let me just reset it. So what you can do on your key light, you can choose your source of light between area light, point, sun, spot. In my case, I will stick with the area light. You can choose the shape of your light between those four, and you can mess with the strength of your light, the temperature of your light, the size of your light, if you want it to be softer or harsher, the spread. The second thing you can do is mess around with your positioning of your light, the height and the angle and the distance of the light from your object. You can get multiple shots and dynamic scenes with just those two. So we see that sometimes your light is messing around with your environment, so we add a light leaking feature. So you can click this one and you can choose your collection, and the light will only affect your collection. In my case, I will not use it. And the second thing you can do is add a texture or combo. First, you press this one and you can go to your library. In my case, this one. This library will include it on the file of the add-on, and you can press accept and you can get this soft light. Let me show you. If we add more strength, you can see there is a soft light. You end up setting up your light or your key light or your main light, and you want to balance your scene. What you can do is you can press this one. This one will make a clone of your key light and make it on the other side. We say it's clone, so we have the same settings that we have on the previous one. So you can mess around with the angle of our light, and we can mess around with the distance of our light, and you can add as many lights you want, so you can light up your scene as you like. So when you finish doing your settings or everything, you can scroll down, sorry, to hit the render image, and you can see your render start just like so. This is a useful add-on for beginners and someone who don't want to spend many times adjusting and adding multiple lights. So this is the version, I think 1.15, and I will keep improving it. So if you buy this add-on from the link on the description and I release a new update, you will get the new update for free. So you are free to check it out on the description, and there is a video that showing you how to use it in a proper way and everything you need. Thank you for watching. See you next time.